Hey guys, I'm today explaining you the Printlabs app with a little screencast here. So first we download the Printlabs app and now we click on it. You will be redirected to this account page. You automatically, when downloading and installing the app and open it, it's automatically creating an account with our API, so it's directly connected. And then you see here above the test mode. Okay, test mode means that when you don't have any billing method integrated, it's not it's not letting you out of the test mode, and customer can order, but it's not going into production. Okay, so let me go first. What is the Printlabs service? Printlabs service is a print-on-demand fulfillment service where you can sell Printlabs products, for example, as your own. We white label them and ship it to your customer with your address on it. Okay, so nobody knows it's from Printlabs. You can sell it. You don't have to worry about the storage. You don't have to worry about anything. You just do the designs and do the marketing. Okay, we take care of the rest. So let's go over the section catalog. We have some certain products for you available at the moment that are that you can easily build in, like keyboards, keychains, mugs, baby bodies, photo slates, and so on, right? When you click on this catalog category, you see not only products like the main image, you also see different like products as you can see here. Okay, good. Let's go over the dashboard. Are like some KPIs for you to see how you're doing. Then you have the order section. When orders comes in, you will see it directly here. Of course, you have the catalog section. You have the billing section. This you need to add a billing method here. Then you have the invoice section. What we do is when you sell the items, when we fulfill them, after 1 week, we will bill them, okay? The fulfilled items, we will bill them. And you see the invoices here, and it gets automatically taken from your, for example, in this case, credit card or your billing method, okay? Good. So let's go over the setup, okay? Our app is only working at the moment with the Team Blue product personalizer app, since we need the print image pulled in. We only can work with it, okay? So Team Blue, download it as well. I don't want to get you an in-depth overview of Team Blue. They have a lot of videos and informations. They have a customer support. They have a knowledge base. So please look into it your own. But I show you the mandatory things and how you set up a product where you get the information from. Okay, so first things first. When you are in Team Blue, you go to General Settings and toggle this off. So it should not be like this. It should be like this, okay? Because this setting says that Google, for Google, for example, it's creating different SKUs, but our app needs to have the unique SKU you see in the catalog section, okay? Also put this, add to order notes. So this is just the information where they want to put their order design URL, and we want it in the order notes so that our app is pulling it automatically. Good. So let's set up a product base, okay? I think maybe let's set up a mug, or maybe let's set up a baby body. Let's do a mug. We have different kind of mugs. The normal panorama mug, you see the prices here, you see the SKU here, and when you open up the information down there, you can set up the print area too. Okay, let's do it. First, I will download this image. This you can use freely, but I would recommend you that you change the images. Maybe you use ChatGPT, KI or something, that it changed the background, so you have unique product pictures. It's very important for brand building purpose. Okay, good. Let's start with it. You see, we have like set it up white socks or baby bodies. You also saw it in our catalog. Let's import the product first. Oh no, sorry, not importing. We add manual product. And then you see example mug, we use it mug. Nothing else needs to be done here. This is just for product, like for product supplier that you use over Team Blue. So let's save it. Then you see no mockups, then you see no print errors, then you see no SKU and stuff, okay? So new variant, you include the SKU you find here. Needs to be 100% the same, okay? One misspelling, it's not working. We call it white color. Size is 330 ml. In this case, we have the product price. This is what you also gonna do yourself. I will put, for example, this price, It's based on the calculation, on your margin calculation. Okay, we don't tell you you need to sell it for this price. Okay, you can do it also for €1, but then you're making a big minus. You don't want to do it, right? So then you have the price. You can include the base cost. This is here. And that's it basically for down there. You can include color hacks, you can include weight. It doesn't matter for us, it's just for your information. What you also can do when you have a variety of print areas above there, you need to add the print area to assign it to the SKU. In this case, we don't need to do it. So then we include the print area. You click on this, you take the naming, we say free. The display name is yours, so you can name it whatever you want to. And then we have 4,000 times 1,700, 1,700. You save it, easy, right? Then you upload the product mockup. Here we go. Let's see where we have it. Here we go. We upload it. It needs to be I don't think it needs to be Scare One, but Scare One is normal in TeamBlue. So it's rendering the image. You can then assign it to a variant. So when you have more information, it switches the images. Let's go inside of it, add a print area. For example, we just making it, for example, like this, okay? How you're gonna do it yourself, you need to figure out yourself, okay? Good. Then next up, let's make an artwork, okay? New artwork, we need the same size. We tell it Mark 1, for example. The category you can also implement. Then the same artwork size, what we have, okay? This is a good PNG, RGB is a good thing. So you don't need to change the format, what wants to go out of the product. You save it, then you see the artwork is square. In this case, you can add images, you can add interchangeable clip art sets, everything what you want, what you can dream of. I will integrate now a text. I will make it a little bit bigger, place it on this side, enable a personalization, call it something, and then I'm done. Okay, this is just a quick introduction here. Then I will build a campaign. Okay, a campaign is, for example, Mark new. I integrate the new marks. I integrate the artwork that I just built, and then you see my text is here, and I can change something. Okay, good. When everything is good, I will launch this in my shop. You can view it then and see, okay, this is my product page. This is what TeamBlue does. Okay, this is what TeamBlue does here, the personalization, and then this is interchangeable in the preview. So good. Let's order it like we would be a customer. First, personalize it, add it to the cart, go inside of it. The customer goes to checkout, right? And then he types in his information. Currently, we don't ship to New Zealand, Australia, like or Russia or Morocco, stuff like this. So we currently ship within the EU, every country within the EU. We ship also to USA and we ship to UK because it's too far away to ship and too expensive to ship to these countries, and basically makes no sense. USA is still okay, but UK also we can ship to it. It's okay with the customs, but for the test order I will make Germany. So test is the name. Let's type in a random information. So when the customer, for example, don't type in a house number, we don't pull it into our system because we cannot ship it. And when it's laying down in our production without a house number, we cannot ship it. It takes up some space. So it will show you that it's not in our system, and you can ask the customer to integrate the house number for you. Okay, good. Let's go to discount. I have created a 100% discount here, which we use to don't pay anything here for the test order. Good. In this case, customer implements everything, we complete the order, and as you can see now, the order is created. Now it takes a little bit of time till Team Blue creates or renders the image, and then it takes another time, 10 minutes or so, till our app pulls it into our production API, okay? So it takes a little bit of time. I have prepared one other app with another product, so you can see it here. So you don't need to wait 10 minutes till I show you. So it shows you when the customer directly orders, it shows you like this, okay? The standard mark SKU. In the order nodes, it takes, like I said, some time till the order nodes are created and the link is inside of it. So this is why I created another test with a baby body, which you then see directly, fulfillment in progress. When it's pulled from Printlabs, you see it's accepted, okay? And then when you see down there the history, it's the test order, the test customer placed, it's confirmed, and it's got sent the confirmation. This is all done via Shopify, okay? And then you see Team Blue Personalizer added the details of this order. They edited this information within the order. You see there's a different print size because it's a baby body order, okay? You can also click here and it looks like this is what the customer saw and what the customer ordered. Good. So what the app is then doing, it pulls all the information, and then you see Printlabs changed to fulfillment location, requested fulfillment of the item from Printlabs 2 minutes ago. You see 30 minutes ago, 2 minutes ago, so it took 11 minutes that Printlabs is pulling the images, and then accepted the request. So when you have it like this, accepted the request, everything is fine. And you see here in the overview, it shows in progress. So when it shows in progress, everything is good. Then you can jump in your Printlabs app and see all the information here. In this case, nothing is done. Okay, so you don't need to see anything. But you see the images and you see the total cost. What is the product costing with logistic, with everything. Good. So now expecting the customer wants to change something in the order. What you're going to do? Good. You want to change, for example, this image. You want to change, for example, he typed a wrong address. What you're going to do is then request cancellation. Okay? No information needed. Then you see request the cancellation for one item. Cancellation requested. Then what you're going to do is you revert to unfulfilled, and then you change the information. Yeah, they could change the information here. For example, customer wants to change mom to mama. I don't know. Edit customization, for example. So he changed to this. You need to then refresh in Team Blue. It takes some time. Now it says, Mama, I love you. And then it takes some time till this is updated. So you need to wait till you request the fulfillment again. Oh, you see it's upgraded, that's cool. So let's then request fulfillment again. Fulfillment in progress, it's requested. Now it should jump on accepted for in a few seconds, but you will see it then in the overview as well. Okay, and then Printlabs after 10 minutes or so, it updates also this image. So and also now you see the image. Before that the information were not synced. Now the information is synced, and you see all the information you need. Team Blue via Shopify. You see the external order ID. You see the ship to information. You see what the order is worth, what the logistics and what the VAT is costing. And then you soon see informations here. In queue means it's soon into production. After the order comes into the API, 12 hours after it will get pulled into production. And if you want to change that, just tell us, we can change it for you. And then when it's shipped, it's the tracking information will be here included and also synced to your Shopify, okay? Good. This is basically it. The same you need to do with like changing the order address. Okay, so you need to also cancel the request and do all the kind of different stuff, and then like make another, change the shipping address or stuff. Okay, good. Now let's check on this order. You see the mug has generated the print file that we have created in our test, and this will soon get pulled into the app. So because we don't want to produce this item, right, let's go to cancel this order because we don't want to produce it. Cancel order, and then it takes another like 10-15 minutes till it gets also cancelled here, and then it's wiped out here. Okay, but this is basically it. You integrate a product in Team Blue, create a product base, you create an artwork, you create a campaign, launch this, and then you're ready to go. Just needs to be, the setting needs to be right, and that the system can check everything here. Okay, so I would say have fun with selling these products, and when you need some help, let's reach out to us. We are here to help you, and that you make have a very good experience with selling. Okay, have a good one, and bye bye.